CES 2026 is alive. The future is here. At the Lockin booth, everyone wants to see what's next in smart locks. For years, smart locks faced the same problem: limited battery life. Today that changes. Introducing the world's first optical charging smart lock, Lockin AI Smart Lock V7 Max, powered by Lockin AuraCharge, delivering over-the-air charging and endless power. No battery swaps, no sunlight needed, delivering endless power. Lockin AuraCharge solves the AI bottleneck in smart locks. You'll never worry about your smart lock running out of power again. The door to true AI smart living is finally open. Join us, endless power, true AI. A new era begins.